Hi. Welcome to StableMaster. In this tutorial we will discover how to use the calendar function. The calendar function is designed to give you a convenient summary view of upcoming events, and allow you to quickly schedule events and lessons. Clicking on the calendar icon will open your calendar at the current date and time. Each user in the system has their own calendar, allowing you to see how busy colleagues are. Simply use the filter function and select the employee whose calendar you wish to view. You can also open multiple colleague calendars if you wish. You can change the view from daily to weekly and monthly. You can move forwards and backwards in time. And use the Today button to jump back to the current date and time. To create a lesson, event or task, simply click on the calendar at the point where you would like to schedule it. In this demonstration we will go ahead and schedule a lesson. Click on the Create New Lesson option. Enter the relevant detail for this lesson, then click Save. As you can see, the lesson is in draft format until you confirm it. Add a writer and click Confirm. The status has now changed to confirmed, and if we check the calendar we can see that the lesson is now shown. To recap, only confirmed lessons, events or tasks are displayed in the calendar. To edit the lesson, for example to add writers, simply click on it in the calendar and click View. You can now go ahead and add writers, change course allocations, cancel writers or change the lesson time. Ensure you click Save after each update. The calendar is designed to give you a definitive view of confirmed events. Don't forget that draft events will not appear in the calendar. For more detail on creating lessons, please see the lessons tutorial. Thanks.